Well, good morning from the blowhole. And then when you drive out of the blowholes, turn right and you'll go into the aquarium. Well, good afternoon. Here we are at Shell Beach in Shark Bay, about 25 kilometers from Denham. Now we'll show you the beach. So here we are on Shell Beach, just below Denham in WA. Beautiful day, nice blue water. Still in the sand at the moment, but once we get down to near the water's edge is when all the shells start appearing.
Hi. Hello. Look at this. Random shells.
Oh, you glasses were in the big bag.
What do you think of that? Beautiful. Okay, so here we are, Denham and Monkey Mire. Good morning from Denham. On our approach into Denham, it really impressed us. It's a beautiful little place to come and stay. 25 kilometers from Monkey Mire. Township here, cafes, information center, and an old restaurant. And the restaurant is made out of completely of cockle shells. And our caravan park is down there slightly. So this is the restaurant here, and all the cockle shells here on the ground. And take it a little bit closer so you can see the actual cockle shells inside there. Looking over at the bay here, and then looking straight down the main street of Denham. IGA stores, cafes, restaurants. This is the IGA here. Here we are in Monkey Mire. Now we'll show you a bit of the resort that's here. And this is the pool area here at Monkey Mire. Our reception here to check in. So here we are at Monkey Mire Beach. This is where they feed the wild dolphins in the mornings. A couple little jetties. That's the general store there, and check-in for the caravan park and cabins, etc. Looks like that's a restaurant there. And it's a nice sunny day. So we're doing it today because tomorrow they predicted at least 10 mil of rain. And one thing I forgot to tell you, there is an entry fee here of $15 per adult and $10 per concession. Even if you are staying in the caravan park or cabins, you still have to pay your entry fee. And this is where they do the dolphin feeding, right here. Yeah, I think the entry fee is a bit of a rip-off. People do say it's not worth coming, but it's up to yourself whether you wish to come or not. This is the bowl shed, a bar. Take you inside. So this is our next stop here at Eagle Bluff, where possibly you can see sharks and turtles. We'll have a look when we get there. And this is where we are. Here's Shark Bay and Denham. And then we come past Shell Beach again and back to the highway at the Overlander. And that's the lookout and the walkway looking over Eagle Bluff. Well, good afternoon from Nerin 24-hour rest stop on the way to Kalbarri. And this is where we're staying tonight after we left Denham this morning and to Eagle Bluff. And this is where we ended up. So this is a big area to park on. It's all gravel. And that's good because yesterday after a lot of rain we had at Denham, we were thinking we might get bogged in all the mud around the place, but lucky enough we found this place, and this is where we're staying tonight, like a lot of other people here. But yeah, it's a good little spot, bins, shaded area, and it has toilets. And the toilets are just there behind that caravan, and we're parked right here, out of the way, nice little secluded little spot. And we have our own little shaded area and a table. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow from Kalbarri. Here we are, the Skywalk at Kalbarri. And here we are approaching one of the Skywalks. And now we're walking down to the Nature's Window, an 800-meter walk from the car park.